Hitachi provides cutting-edge technology to support the smooth running of your business through ConSite. Available in more than 30 languages, ConSite's monthly data report service provides you with a working record promptly via email. In case of machine downtime, ConSite can detect the urgency of information using an intelligent filtering system and alert you immediately. The monthly report includes a detailed analysis of the operational data, ratios and hours. The operational data highlights daily working hours and fuel consumption in a color-coded calendar format. This gives you an insight into how productive and efficient your machine has performed in the past month. The report also provides monthly statistics on the operating mode ratio, plus a comparison with the previous month for the fuel consumption and efficiency and CO2 emissions. Looking further into the report, there are non-operation and swing efficiency ratings and ratios that compare the machine's performance against the same model class in that region. The monthly and total number of hours are then divided for front, swing, travel and attachment operations. These help to determine the actual usage of your machine and your maintenance planning. The monthly analysis of these variables is then compared to the total lifetime of the machine in a user-friendly web chart. A line graph illustrates the actual and projected number of hours, which helps to manage your maintenance requirements. In the unlikely event of a fault, an emergency alarm report is sent to you and your authorized Hitachi dealer for immediate action. ConSite continues to enhance your experience of using and managing Hitachi construction machinery. This unique development provides information that you can use to maximize the efficiency, minimize downtime, and improve the overall performance of your Hitachi fleet. For more information on ConSite, please contact your local dealer.